Hello, K1 visa filers and adjustment of status filers. Hello, friends. Anyways, congratulations nga po pala sa mga na-approve na ng kanilang K1 visa dyan sa Philippines. Congratulations, guys. Well deserved. CFO na lang or tapos na sa CFO. Papunta ng US or kakarating lang ng US, and if you're wondering ano pa ba yung mga gagawin niyo dito sa US, what are the things that you need to do and what are the documents that you need to apply for you to obtain your green card or to become a lawful permanent resident dito po sa US. Mga pagdadaanan pa natin as a K1 visa holder. I have a video right here. Please check this video right here. I uploaded a video of what are the things or what to do when you arrive here in the US. Ang mga pagdadaanan pa natin as a K1 visa holder, getting your I-94, SSN, applying for your green card, work permit, or travel parole, and what comes after that. So please check this video right here po, nandito. Check that video, click that one para at least alam nyo pa yung mga i-a-apply pa po ninyo dito para maging lawful permanent resident po kayo and what to do after maging lawful permanent resident na po kayo. So good luck everybody. Congratulations sa mga na-approve na and welcome to the US soon.